Lens maker's formula. Basically, this formula is used by the manufacturer to decide the focal length and relate the radius of curvature with focal length, refractive index. It is basically application of the refraction at spherical surfaces. We have already derived the formula for the refraction at spherical surfaces, concave and convex. Here, this is a thin convex lens of thickness small t. वैसे ये थिकनेस t है, लेकिन बाद में इसको हम इग्नोर करेंगे क्योंकि थिन लेंस कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. There are 2 points P1 and P2, center of spherical surfaces. Let U be the object separation. Object O is a point object placed on the principal axis. Any ray of light incident OA on the first surface of refractive index N2 and refractive index of medium in which lens is placed is N1, and here N2 greater than N1 means refractive index of medium of lens is more than refractive index of the medium in which it is placed. Another ray incident along principal axis or parallel with principal axis, and very first let light ray incident at first surface, and we have considered here second surface is absent. If second surface is absent, then first surface will converge it at I dash, and this I dash will be the image formed by the first surface. But actually second surface is present, and therefore this second surface will more converge the ray of light and form another image I, which is real. For the second surface of lens, this virtual image I dash serves as an object, and therefore image I is real because object is virtual. Let U be the object separation from P1. B is the V dash is the image separation from P1, and B is the image separation for second surface, that is from P2. Separation between P2 and C2 is R2, and separation between P1 and C1 is R1, that is radius of curvature for first and second surfaces respectively.
3 go.
Now, using refraction at spherical surface for first surface. Now refraction at first surface, we have formula N2 by B minus N1 by U equal to, now for first surface N2 by V, V means B dash. For first surface our image is I dash, therefore N2 by B dash minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R1, equation 1. For refraction at second surface B है. Second surface. For the diffraction at second surface, ray of light is passes from N2 to N1, that is from denser medium to rarer medium, and therefore equation may be written as N2 means in which to which ray of light is passing, to which जहां को जा रही है, therefore N1 by V minus N2 by V dash minus T. T is the thickness of lens. T equal to N1 minus N2 by R2. Question 2. But lens is thin and therefore T far less than B dash can be ignored. Adding equation 1 and 2, we have N2 by V dash minus N1 by U plus N1 by B minus N2 by B dash equal to N2 minus N1 by R1 plus N1 minus N2 by R2. N2 by B dash, N2 by B dash cancel out. N1 by B minus N1 by U equal to, taking common N2 minus N1, N2 minus N1, it will be 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is equation third. Dividing third throughout by N1, we have 1 by B minus 1 by U equal to N2 by N1 minus 1, this one 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Let N2 by N1 equal to N. Then 1 by B minus 1 by U equal to N minus 1, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Question 4. If object is at infinity, then image will be at focus. That is, if U equal to infinity, V equal to F. Putting this value in equation 4, we have 1 by F equal to N minus 1, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, which is lens maker formula, which is required lens formula, and relates focal length, refractive index and radius of curvatures with each other.